Hi YouTube! So today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how I did this cat nail art. I gathered my miracle mat and the polishes I want to use, which are cat fur colors. First, I painted the clear polish on the miracle mat. Waited a while for that to dry, then painted 2 coats of the colored nail polish. Waited for that to dry, and then finally painted another layer of the clear polish. After completely drying, I peeled it off with tweezers, then inserted it in my cat hole punch. Some polishes were a bit tricky to work with, but these make great DIY nail decals. All I did was paint another coat of nail polish and then paste the decal, and sealed it with a top coat. Now that that's done, here's some footage of the local cat show I went to. These cats were so soft and affectionate, I wish I was able to adopt one. I know it was sad witnessing them in cages, but don't worry, they'll eventually get adopted. I also saw a lot of artistic inspiration. got this cute cat pencil case. You know me, I love collecting my pencil cases. My greatest investment of all, I got this LED cat light. All I have to do is switch it on, and no more bad lighting when I film my art from now on. And it's also rechargeable, so it should hopefully last for a long time. Well, thanks for watching.